This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Modern Audi vehicles are filled with advanced technology, but most drivers only use a small portion of what their car is actually capable of. Touchscreens, drive modes, driver assistance systems, performance software. Audi engineers designed these systems to work together, constantly adjusting how the car behaves depending on driving conditions. But here's the interesting part. Some of the features that can noticeably improve how your Audi drives are not hidden deep in complicated menus. They're already built into the car, and many drivers never use them. Not because they're difficult to access, but because most owners simply don't realize how much difference they can make. These features don't increase horsepower, they don't modify the engine, and they don't require expensive tuning. Instead, they allow the car to deliver the power it already has more efficiently. The result? Your Audi can feel more responsive. Acceleration can feel much sharper and more immediate. And the car can behave much closer to how Audi engineers originally designed it to perform. In this episode, we'll look at 3 Audi features that secretly improve performance. These features affect how the engine responds, how the transmission behaves, and how power is delivered to the wheels. And surprisingly, they are available in many Audi models, including Audi A3, Audi A4, Audi A5, Audi A6, Audi Q5, Audi Q7, and many S-Line models. Let's start with the first one. And this is a feature that many drivers see every day but rarely use correctly. Audi Drive Select. This feature allows for instant performance adjustments. Audi Drive Select allows drivers to change how the car behaves by adjusting several systems at the same time. Throttle response, transmission shift timing, steering weight, suspension behavior on certain models, and sometimes even differential response. Most drivers leave the car in comfort mode. Comfort mode is designed to make the car smooth and efficient. Throttle response becomes softer, the transmission shifts earlier. Engine RPM stays lower. This is great for daily driving and fuel economy. But it also means the car does not feel as responsive as it could. Switching to dynamic mode changes this behavior immediately. Throttle response becomes faster, the transmission holds gears longer, and the engine remains in a higher power band. The result is a car that feels much more alive. Many drivers are surprised by how big the difference feels. But Drive Select is only the beginning, because the second feature we'll explore can change how the car delivers traction and power during acceleration. And the third feature affects something many drivers never think about: how quickly the engine actually responds to your right foot. But before we continue, if you enjoy learning about hidden Audi features and how to unlock the performance already built into these cars, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps the channel continue producing detailed Audi-focused content for real owners. Now let's move to the second feature that many drivers overlook.
In Part 1, we explored Audi Drive Select and how switching driving modes can immediately change how the car feels. Throttle response becomes sharper, the transmission holds gears longer, and the engine operates in a more responsive power band. But there is another feature that many Audi drivers rarely use, even though it can significantly affect how the car delivers power to the road. This feature involves traction control and stability systems. Modern Audi vehicles are equipped with extremely advanced electronic stability systems. These systems constantly monitor the vehicle's behavior using multiple sensors. They measure wheel speed, steering angle, vehicle rotation, acceleration, and many other parameters. If the system detects that the car is losing traction, it intervenes automatically. It can reduce engine power, it can apply braking to individual wheels, and it can stabilize the car before the driver even notices a problem. This system is called Electronic Stability Control, or ESC. ESC is one of the most important safety technologies in modern cars, but in certain situations, the default setting can be overly protective, especially during dynamic acceleration. When ESC is in its normal mode, the system reacts quickly to any wheel slip. Even a small amount of slip can trigger the system to reduce engine power. This keeps the car extremely stable, but it can also make the vehicle feel slightly less responsive. This is why many Audi models include an additional setting known as ESC Sport mode. Activating ESC Sport slightly relaxes the intervention threshold of the stability control system. Instead of immediately cutting engine power, the system allows a small amount of wheel slip before intervening. This small change can make a noticeable difference in how the car accelerates. Power delivery becomes smoother, acceleration feels more natural, and the engine can deliver more of its available torque before electronic intervention occurs. This doesn't disable the safety system. ESC Sport still protects the vehicle. It simply allows the car to behave more naturally during dynamic driving situations. For example, when accelerating quickly onto a highway, or when driving on dry roads with good traction. Many Audi drivers report that the car feels significantly more responsive when ESC Sport is active, especially when combined with dynamic mode in Audi Drive Select. When these two systems work together, the engine and transmission deliver power more aggressively, while the traction system allows slightly more freedom. But there is another interesting detail. Some drivers believe pressing the ESC button completely disables stability control. In most Audi models, that's not the case. Pressing the button once usually activates ESC Sport. Holding the button for several seconds may partially disable traction control. But full deactivation is rarely necessary for normal driving. ESC Sport provides the best balance between safety and performance for everyday situations, and yet many drivers never experiment with this setting. But there is one more feature that can influence performance even more than drivers realize, and it involves something many drivers don't associate with performance at all: the engine response behavior built into modern throttle systems. In Part 3, we'll explore how this final feature affects acceleration feel and why small changes in driving behavior can dramatically change how responsive your Audi feels.
In Part 1, we explored how Audi Drive Select changes throttle response, transmission behavior, and overall driving feel. In Part 2, we looked at ESC Sport mode, which allows the car to deliver power more naturally by relaxing traction control intervention. Now let's talk about the third feature, and this one is interesting because most drivers don't even realize it exists. It's called throttle adaptation, and it's built into the software that controls modern Audi engines. Unlike older cars, modern vehicles don't use a mechanical cable between the accelerator pedal and the throttle body. Instead, Audi uses a system called electronic throttle control, sometimes referred to as drive-by-wire. When you press the accelerator pedal, you're not directly opening the throttle. You're sending a signal to the engine control unit. The ECU then decides how much throttle to apply based on several factors: engine load, traction conditions, driving mode, transmission behavior, and driver input patterns. And this is where something interesting happens. Modern Audi vehicles actually adapt to the way you drive. Over time, the car learns your driving style. If the car is driven gently most of the time, the ECU begins to favor smoother throttle response. Acceleration becomes softer. Power delivery becomes more gradual. This improves comfort and fuel efficiency, but it can also make the car feel less responsive. On the other hand, when the car experiences more dynamic driving inputs, such as stronger acceleration and higher throttle demand, the system adapts again. Throttle response becomes sharper. The engine reacts faster to pedal input, and the car begins to feel more responsive. This adaptive behavior is one reason why two identical Audi vehicles can feel completely different depending on how they are driven. One driver may experience very smooth, relaxed acceleration. Another driver may feel a much sharper and more responsive engine. The car itself hasn't changed, but the software has adapted to the driver, occasionally allowing the engine to operate under full load conditions, such as highway acceleration, helps maintain this responsiveness. It allows the ECU and transmission to recalibrate their adaptive behavior. This doesn't increase horsepower, but it allows the engine to deliver the power it already has more efficiently. When these three features are used correctly, many Audi owners are surprised by how different their car can feel. No expensive upgrades, no engine modifications, just understanding how the systems built into the car actually work. Audi engineers design these vehicles with extremely sophisticated software. But most drivers only experience a fraction of what the car is capable of. Learning how to use these systems correctly allows the car to behave much closer to its true performance potential, and often the difference is noticeable immediately. If you want to continue discovering hidden Audi features, performance tips, and engineering insights, Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps the channel continue producing detailed Audi-focused content designed for real owners. Because modern cars are full of hidden technology, and sometimes unlocking better performance is simply a matter of understanding the systems already built into the vehicle.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.